Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name's John and I'm the Geeky Mank. So before we do get started, if you do like this video and any other of my content, please remember to like, share and subscribe. So today's video, we are here in Castlefield, Manchester. I am here at the Roman fort. We're going to have a discover and see what geeky facts I can provide, and then we're going to venture on down and go and discover some historic sites from the industrial period of Manchester. So let's crack on. Mamucium, also known as Mancunium, is a former Roman fort in the Castlefield area of Manchester. It was founded in AD 79 during the campaigns of General Julius Aurelian. The location of the fort was built closely to the natural defensible sandstone bluff that overlooked the nearby crossing at the River Medlock. The area became an important junction for at least two military roads, one running east to west from Chester to York and the other running north to Bridgewater. Excavations show the fort had three main phases of construction. First in AD 79, second around AD 60, and the third in AD 200. The first and the second phases were built from turf and timber, and the third was built with stone and the walls around given a stone facing. This is the Great Northern Viaduct. Now I'm sure you're asking to yourself, Geeky Mank, what's that got to do with Roman Manchester? Walk this way. Now that just looks like obviously a big stone, but this here is actually from the original wall from the Roman fort. So time for some geeky facts. Born in Germany, Karl Roger immigrated to Manchester when he was 21. He eventually started his own business in Manchester. In his leisure time, he had a passion for history and started to study archaeology. From 1897 to 1900, Roger carried out important excavations of the Roman artifacts from the Castlefield area. He was aware of the importance of the stone being from the Roman wall and had the railway company build a small viaduct over it to protect it. So for me, it's really disappointing for a stone of that historic significance to be hidden away like that. Probably the oldest structure that's left here in Manchester. Now this is a reconstruction of the northern gate. Now this has been Mancunium. Let's go and crack on and see what we can find in regards to the industrial side of Manchester. Let's go. Welcome to Liverpool Road train station, and this is actually part of the Science and Industry Museum here in Manchester. Now this is actually a Grade 1 listed building, and of course, because I'm here, it's time for some geeky facts. The Liverpool and Manchester Railway was the first intercity railway in the world. It opened on the 15th of September 1830. It was the first railway to rely exclusively on locomotives driven by steam power. It was also the first to be entirely double-tracked throughout its length, the first to have true signature systems, the first to be fully timetabled, and the first to carry mail. Welcome to Castlefield Locks. Now, just in front of us, that's actually Merchant's Warehouse, and it's a Grade 2 listed building. Now, the Earl of Bridgewater actually constructed this as a way to bring his coal down from his minery up in Worsley. So let's go and have a look round and see what other historic facts we can find. Let's crack on. The Bridgewater Canal, the world's first industrial canal, arrived in Castlefield in July 1761. This is around the time the Industrial Revolution is considered to have started. The Rochdale Canal and a network of private branch canals joined the Bridgewater Canal at Lock 92. It also has the oldest canal warehouse, which opened in 1779. Though Castlefield did have cotton mills, it was the engineering works and the warehousing that was more noticeable. As the century progressed, the canals gave way to the railways. There are 4 viaducts built over the locks. Today, Castlefield has several bars and restaurants as well as apartments. The site has also been used as filming locations for both TV and film. We're just in front of what would have been known as Cold Wharf. Now, there is actually Grover's warehouse down there, and it was where the first warehouse was that was actually built. It had a water wheel system that would bring up heavy goods, mainly coal, from the Bridgewater Canal. So let's go and have a look and see if we can find it. We stood outside Grover's warehouse. Now, in this section, and it's actually where the Bridgewater Canal would have terminated, canal barges would have come into here, and there was a water wheel. Now, what would happen is any heavy goods, they would be able to actually lift up onto the top ends, and there was a warehouse on top. Welcome to Castlefield Viaduct. Now, time for some geeky facts. Castlefield Viaduct is a 330-metre disused railway viaduct built in 1892. It closed in 1969 and stood unused. The Grade 2 listed viaduct was designed by Hernan and Froude, the same engineering company behind the Blackpool Tower. In the summer of 2022, the National Trust opened a Sky Park and people are able to visit. For any of you Peaky Blinders fans out there, this is actually the filming location in season 6 of The Garrison. Now, this has been my video for today. If you have enjoyed it, again, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, peace and love.